history.
Have you worked on the lighting project for a cigarette factory before? According to the National Fire Protection Association, there were 340 fires in tobacco factory in America just in 2022, causing a whopping around $29 million in damage. And guess what? One of the cases were lighting fixture failures. That's why I want to discuss something super important: lighting solution for cigarette factories. Cigarette factories are like the tinder boxes. Tobacco leaves, paper, chemicals, or highly flammable. This means a much bigger risk of fires, and the consequence can be devastating: property damage, injuries, and even worse. Now, let's talk about the layout of the cigarette factory. It has a complex lighting system, which depends on what parts of production process they are for. Here is the breakdown of different areas. Different areas have varying lighting requirements. The packing workshop, finished goods warehouse, and office and rest areas typically use the common lightings. However, in the raw material handling areas, the tobacco shedding workshop and cigarette manufacturing workshop, the lighting fixture often needs to withstand the dusty, humid, and high temperature conditions. These areas are typically prone to the fire and explosion hazards. Therefore, it's crucial to select the lighting fixture that are dust-proof, waterproof, explosion-proof, and heat resistance. And here's where it gets exciting: AGC LED Explosion-Proof Lighting. The fixtures are made for the job. Today, I'm gonna show one lighting light that's perfect fit for the cigarette factory hazard, the HA06. It's designed for the Zone 2, Zone 2-1, and Class 1, Division 2 hazardous location, made from strong yet lightweight glass reinforced plastic, perfect for environment requiring resistance to corrosion, prevention of current leakage, and excellent durability against the UV rays and extreme weather conditions. It features high efficacy, 116 lumen per watt, custom optic lens for maximum performance, and a sleek design. Installation options include a ceiling, chanium, clamp, loop, and pendant mounts. 2 emergency backup for optional, 10 watts for 3 hours or 20 watts for 90 minutes, approved by IECX, ATEX, and CSA. The HA06 is certified and compliant for the reliable use in harsh environments. Furthermore, we also offer round HA03 and 5 lighting fixture and other customized service to meet the personalized needs. In short, the lighting system in a cigarette factory should not only meet the basic lighting requirement, but also ensure safe and efficient production. Choosing this HA06 explosion-proof light can boost water efficiency and significantly reduce the safety risk. Why not try it now?